Hello, this is Team 7. We are producing a wireless lock device, and this presentation for our design variables.
Okay, hi, this is Zhang Wang, and here I will talk about our maintenance about this product. First, I think the most important thing for our product is it has a good durability. We put our product inside the door, so it's not that easy to be broken. Also, I think our product is safety and convenient. We don't need to change our lock, we just to install this on the lock you used to use. So it's pretty easy to do it, and also you can easy to maintain it. It's easy to change battery or other parts.
All right, for our requirement specification, we have several requirements that we want to talk about. The most important is the dimension of lock. We use it, our group uses it as standard design. It should be including the plot and motor and the Arduino circuit. So we have 4 by 8 by 15 centimeter. This is the main dimension of lock for our production. Other thing is the motor. It's the main key that move the dead plot controlled by the Arduino, and it's supposed to be more than 0.2 watts. Other thing is the battery. It has been chosen to provide electricity to run the whole system, and we use 4-volt battery. Other thing is the remote entry button to make it wireless. We used the way it works is we supposed to hit the remote entry button to let it send the signal, and the receiver in the lock will receive the signal and then unlock the door or lock it. And it's our remote entry is 12 milliamps. The last thing is the lock weight. It's being concerned not too high for the door because we need it to be in the standard doors. It's supposed to be bigger than 0.1 kilogram.
Hello, I'm Enrique, and I'll be talking about the detailed design and fabrication. So our detailed design is, this will be the door, and we will create a box that mounts onto the door, and we are going to have a IR receiver that's controlled by a controller to power this motor that is connected to the inside deadbolt lock. And for fabrication, we created it entirely out of wood, and there's a centerpiece right here that fits the mold of the lock, and we connected the motor to that mold with screws, and we fixated the motor with 2 pieces of wood. That's it.
Alright, this is Lufeng, and I'm going to talk about functioning and the testing. So what we're going to have was, when we have the power source attached with our Arduino, so everything is light. So here's our IR sensor. So when I push the sensor, the motor is going to move. Well, the sensor sometimes it's not so sensitive. If you look at it, I know it probably doesn't see clear. Okay, someone, yeah, you see, I was using a controller, so okay, the sensor sometimes doesn't work. All right, so that's how the thing's gonna use. So for the user testing and functioning, this one is testing well. The motor and the bolt is working very well, but for the user case, I would say we probably use a much more powerful motor next time, because this one is not, well, it's moving a little bit tough to just move around. And also cause when we're doing testing, the controller doesn't work very perfectly, so I need to take close to the sensor when we just when we move our boat. So that's what we concern about for the future. And for security and battery stuff, I think we're doing good stuff. So I think that's it.